Hello, my name is Henri Furgiuele, and I've been using quantum touch for 25 years now, I think. Oh my gosh, when I met quantum touch, my life was a mess. I was struggling, had been struggling for a long time with being overly sensitive environmentally and empathically. Hard to be around crowds of people. I was looking for something that gave me more inward stability in terms of grounding, in terms of being able to be around people and not be so affected by their emotions. And I also had a couple of things that I was working on to clear in my own body. When I saw the Quantum Touch workshop, what impressed me most, the advertisement for it was Richard Gordon saying in this advertisement, everyone can learn this. I guarantee it. And I that gave me the courage to take the class, and I'm so glad I did because it transformed my life. I have been teaching quantum touch since 2000. I made massive life changes as a result of the increased balance that I've gotten from using this technique on myself. And this is one of the things that I love most. It's not just for helping others, it helps ourselves when we use it. And it has proven itself to me so many times in thousands of people that I've worked with, literally, and in my own life. And I really am so happy you're looking forward to taking this class. If this is your first experience with quantum touch, you're in for a treat because it works at lots of different levels and will change your life in ways you don't even have any concept of at the moment. So take the class. It's really worth it.